Hi everyone, welcome back to Quick Guide. I'm back with another video, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to recover your Azar account. If you have forgotten your passcode, there you'll see no recovery option. So what you'll have to do is tap and hold on Azar app and tap on the cross sign. A pop-up message will appear on your screen asking if you're sure you want to delete your app. Tap on delete. Now open up your app store. After you open up your app store, on bottom right you'll see a search icon. Tap on it. Enter Azar on your search bar. There you'll see the app. Tap on it and tap on download button to install it. After your app has been installed, open up your app. You can log into your account by connecting with Facebook or connecting with Google. For now, I'm going to connect with Facebook. Now, Azar main will want to use Facebook to sign in. Tap on continue. If you have a Facebook app, tap on open. If not, you can continue with browser. Now, tap on continue to log into your account. Now you can see that you no need to have to enter your passcode to log in. This way you can recover your Azar account. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more tutorial videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you have something to say, please leave a comment.